which of those activities was the biggest challenge?
I'd say the biggest challenge would be the analytical culture, the people piece. Trying to get people to shift from their comfort zones. Because a lot of people, I think, are very comfortable with the ways that they've been doing things in the past. And in the past, they might have been successful. But these days, things always change. And I think, you need to adapt. And the best way to adapt is to actually understand the data. Because the data gives you that objective way of analyzing what actually is working and what isn't working. And something may have worked before, and it just doesn't work anymore. And the data helps you justify that. I'm very happy to have people tell me that they think we should do something. Just show me that it's worth doing in an objective fashion. Not because it worked before, but because the data says that it works and that it should work. So there's that challenge. There's a lot of people who I think just aren't comfortable shifting from the way they were used to doing things to this new way.